Now, today's topic is the tier, air, and AMR under perfect competitive market. Now, I want to discuss in this topic by making a table and also a diagram. Now, look first the table. So first I am making the 5 column. First column is the number of units sold, means quantity. Second one is price in rupees. Third column is tier. Next column is air and AMR. First column, I am taking the number of units sold starting from 0 unit. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 unit. Clear? And we know that in the perfect competitive market, the price is constant. Here I am taking 10 rupees. For each and every unit of selling, 10. And price denoted as P. Now the third column is tier, so we know that the tier is equal to price into quantity. Price into quantity means 10 into 0 is equal to 0. Then 10 is equal to 1 is equal to 10. 10 into 2 is equal to 20. 10 is equal to 3 is 30. 10 is equal to 4 is 40. 10 into 5 is 50. 10 into 6 is 60. 10 into 7 is equal to 70. Clear? Now air. So we know that in the perfect competitive market, so air is equal to P. P means price. Here you look, the P is equal to 10. So I am writing is 10 rupees. Clear? Now is marginal revenue. We know that MR is equal to delta tier by delta Q. How you can calculate delta tier by delta Q? What does it mean delta tier? Delta tier means the change of total revenue and delta Q means the change of quantity. When 0 unit of selling, we are not getting any coordinate point, is undefined. When we are selling 1 unit, then what is the change of total revenue? 10 minus 0. This is 10 minus 0 divided by 1 minus 0. It's coming 10. When we are selling 2 units, then what is the change of total revenue? 20 minus 10 divided by 2 minus 1. It's coming 10. When we are selling 3 units, 30 minus 20, then 3 minus 2 is equal to 10. In this way, if we calculate, then we can get the same amount 10, 10, 10 and 10. Clear all of you? Now we can Draw the curve, two-dimension curve, and explain each and every concept of TR, AR and MR. Now first I am starting the TR curve. So I am taking two axes, X O X dash and Y O Y dash. X axis denotes the quantity sold, that means Q. And taking coordinate point from 0 to 7. So starting from 0 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Understand? And the vertical axis we denote revenue. Segmenting first the revenue. Look how you can segment starting from 0 and maximum is 70. So now I am taking distance of 10 rupees. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. Clear? Now I am putting the data. When we are producing and selling 0 unit, then total revenue is 0. So that is why I am getting the origin point 0, 0. Clear all of you? Now is 1, 10. When 1 unit selling, the total revenue getting 10 rupees. So this is 1, 10. Next is 2 unit of selling, total revenue is 20. So that is why 2, 20. This is 2, 20. Next, similarly, when you are selling 3 unit, then the total revenue is coming 30. So that is why the coordinate point is 3, 30. When we are selling 4 unit, the total revenue is coming 40. So 4, 40. When we are selling 5 unit, getting coordinate point 5, 50. For the unit of 6 unit of selling, total revenue is coming 60. So 6, 60. 7 unit of selling, getting 70 rupees. So 7, 70. So now if I add all these points, so we can get the TR curve. TR curve we are getting. Understand? So what is the nature of TR curve? The TR curve is starting from the origin and upward moving. In the case of perfect competitive market, TR starting from origin and upward moving. Now you look how you can draw the AR curve. In the same way, I can draw the average revenue curve. In the perfect competitive market, AR is equal to P we know. Now look how you can draw the AR curve. The same way, I can draw the average revenue curve in the vertical axis. Denote revenue. and in the horizontal axis quantity sold denoted as Q. Same, the 0 to 7 unit, 0, this is a 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6 and 7 unit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And revenue I am taking 10, 20. Okay, so here you look, the AR is 10. Each and every unit of selling average revenue is 10. So that is why when 0 unit you are selling, then AR is equal to 10. So 0, 10. This is the first coordinate point. Second coordinate point is 1, 10. When you are selling 1 unit of output, then you are getting 1, 0. This is 1, 10. Second, when we are selling 2 unit, so 2, 10. When we are selling 3 unit, 3, 10 we are getting. For 4 unit, 4, 10. For the 5 units is 5, 10. For the 6 unit, 6, 10. For the 7 unit, 7, 10. So if I add the point, we can get the average revenue curve. So in the perfect competitive market, the nature of AR curve is AR curve starting from the vertical axis and it's parallel to the horizontal axis. Understand? Now MR curve, marginal revenue curve. So same process, x axis and y dash is y axis, x axis is quantity sold Q and is revenue. Right. So unit of total selling is from 0 to 7. So 0 is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here 10, 20. I am taking the revenue. So AR curve is over. Now is MR curve. In the case of MR curve also, you look, when we are producing 1 unit, 0 unit you are selling, then we are not getting any point. For 1 unit of selling, getting 10. So 1, 10. So this is 1, 10. Then 2, 10. This is 2, 10. This is 3, 10. This is 4, 10. Next is 5, 10. Six, 10. And also 7, 10. Now if I add the coordinate point, then we can get the marginal revenue curve. So MR curve also, like the AR curve, and MR curve is parallel to the horizontal axis. Clear all of you? Now if I draw TR, AR and MR in a single diagram, the curve will be like this. So XO X dash, YO Y dash, it's a revenue. Here is quantity sold. Quantity sold is output. Okay. So now if I draw the curve here, we know that the TR curve starting from the origin and it will be upward moving. And AR curve starting from the vertical axis and AR curve will be parallel to the horizontal axis XO X dash. And again, if you look the marginal revenue curve also the parallel to the horizontal axis. That is why we can say that AR is equal to MR. And if we draw the price curve, then price curve also will be the parallel to the horizontal axis, because you know here when 0 unit of selling the 0, 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, and in this way, if you draw and put this data into the two dimension curve, then the price curve will be also the parallel to the horizontal line. That is why it will be AR is equal to MR is equal to P. And also we know that in the perfect competitive market, the demand curve will be the parallel to the horizontal axis. That is why we can say that the AR is equal to MR is equal to P is equal to D is equal to D. Clear all of you? So students, please you like the video, share this video to your friends, and also subscribe my channel. And in the next video, I will discuss about the TR, AR and MR in the graphical representation, their relationship. Okay, in the next video you can get. So wait for the next coming video. Thank you. Bye.